'Twas just before the holidays, and all through the mall, shoppers were buying their gifts big and small. There was hustle and bustle, people running to and fro, rushing to check off their lists, searching high and low. But a select group of shoppers were calm and full of cheer, no coats, wrapped parcels, and grins from ear to ear. Hot chocolate with sprinkles they enjoyed in the cafe, their day made even better thanks to the parking valet. The advantage they had was something truly unique, exclusive access to the wondrous Avion Holiday Boutique.